I'm gonna connect you with my lady. She got a big Instagram following.
I'm on the gram too, so yeah, definitely. All right, y'all, we here with, what is that? It was an 09? 06. This is Chevy Express, 1500 to 4.8. Customer complaint, at first it was a no crank, no start, cut off on him while he was driving. So by the time I got here, he was getting a jump from a local dealership, and it was still not starting, just a crank, no start. So when I got here and put my box on it, we tried to start it. The first time it jumped on and died, so I thought gas. I asked the customer, did he have gas? He said, yeah, it's showing a couple notch above E. But come to find out, we added gas and it started right up. So I let him know that his pump is definitely going bad, because y'all know the float is connected to the internal fuel pump. And if that's not reading right, that's showing a symptom of the pump going bad. So that wound up being the diagnostics on this. As y'all hear, we got it running now. So he's able to get home and everything. And he's able to, you know, purchase the pump whenever he can, and I can pull up again to get it done. So just wanted to update y'all on this job. So I'll get right back at y'all when I finish up. All right, gang, back with this Express. After checking over all the fluids for him, come to find out the antifreeze was low. Transmission fluid was a little dark. It needed the oil to be added. It was about a quart shy. Brake fluid low. So it got some little problems. It needs some maintenance on it, but for the most part, it's a good van. I'm just waiting for the customer to get back now with the antifreeze and the oil, and then he'll be getting on this way. I'll get right back at y'all though. All right, gang, we done with the Chevy Express. We up and running now. You got the gas, we got all the fluids topped off. We're gonna be replacing the fuel pump soon, so I'm gonna be getting at y'all with that. But another thing I'm gonna start doing is getting testimonies from my customers. One of my customers here just brought it up, so he gonna be the first one to do the testimony.
Listen, family, everybody out there, yo, you got a car issue, car trouble, breakdowns, highways, don't matter where you at, call my man D. He's gonna come out, he's gonna service you, he's gonna educate you. That's the most important thing. He's gonna educate you on what the problems are, and he's gonna give you the tools you need to move forward. Call my man D. He got it for you.
There we go. My man. All right. I'll let y'all on the next one.